Hito.
Can you say that again?
Ginataang hito.
You don't have to say it, you just talk normally.
Okay.
Because this microphone is quite okay. So what's inside here?
Pichay and sili and gata.
And then?
Hito.
Hito. That's the hito that we buy before?
Yeah.
Alright. It looks not so fatty, no?
Pati oh.
Fatty? Okay. Okay. No, my saliva is already going out. The new project of Miss Emilo is what you will do?
Right.
Fry
Hito.
the head of
Hito.
catfish.
Hindi siya sang hito ay catfish.
I'm blocking the light, can it? Very nice. And then what's your next plan?
Put that in.
No egg?
Oh, no.
Why?
Wait lang.
Dapat mayroon ka egg.
Wala na egg. Ang niyari na.
Okay.
Para hindi lang ni mag-explore. Or see the taba? I will put inside the taba, oh.
Is that taba?
Yeah. You will eat that one later.
I don't want to be pastors, but that looked very pastors. Good night.